We already discussed about the comparison operator. We discussed about all the comparison operator equals to, identical, not equals to, and not equals to. These two are the same operators. Not identical means if the two values are same, but the type of the variable or the type of the value is are not same, then it will give the false. Okay, and the greater than, less than, greater than and equals to, and less than equals to, we already discussed about these operators. We are on the increment or decrement operator on Saturday, where we have disconnected our phone. So this is the pre-increment operator. First one is pre-increment operator, second post increment, pre-decrement and post decrement. Okay, in the pre-increment operator, it just first return the value. After that, it increment the value of any variable. Okay, let me show you how it's work in the browser. There's the post increment. One second. One second. The, this is our defined variable. Is a defined x. We already defined it and assigned it 100. Okay, and if we increment our variable, this is pre-increment. This is pre-increment. Okay, Rakhi. If we echo this value, it will give you 100, because this is pre-increment, means it will just increment and then after return the value. As we can understand that by the name of this operator, means pre-increment, means firstly increment the value of any variable and after that the return the value of our variable. Let me show you. Means what will be the output, Rakhi? No, Rakhi, it's a pre-increment, means it will increment by one, means yeah, it's first increment then return our value, means it will yeah, it will be 101. Let me show you. The 101, because this operator first increment our value by one and then returns the value, and in post increment means first it returns, after that it will increment. Let me show you. What will be the output? Means it will first return the value of y, means y, what the value of y is, y 100, so it's equal 100. After that it will increment by 1. Let me show you. The output will be 100. Use the TR10 proper display. Means this 100 is the value of our dollar y. If again the we just echo our $y, just $y. If we want to know the value of our $y, one second. In the last line, I just echoing the our dollar, our variable. Let's see the output on the browser. It will be, what will be the output in the third line? Rakhi, are you there? What will be the output of this line? Means echoing $y. We just echo the whole expression, means with increment operator it will give us it will give us the 100, and this is the 101. Yes, yeah, 100. Why? Because it increments the value after echoing, after returning the previous value, and after that it's increment by 1. Okay, Raki, let's move ahead. Our decrement operator. Comment this. Same as increment, our decrement operator just decrease the value of any variable by 1. Okay, let me show you. $x, this is in pre-increment. What will be the output, Raki? Raki, are you there? Yeah, 90. Because this is the pre-decrement, means it first decrement the value of our variable and returns the value of our variable. If we use post decrement, $y, this is post decrement. What will it returns? It returns just 100, because first it returns the value, after that it decrement it. If we again echo our variable, it will give us a 99. Okay, Ravi? This is clear? Yes. These are our increment or decrement operators. Let's move ahead. Let's see the our next, what is the next operators? The logical operators. Logical operator usually used in the conditions, means if you can use in if condition, if else if condition. Mostly these operator used in conditions, in between conditions. Okay, what is the AND? Let's see the working of AND, AND operator. True, it will return true if both x and y are true. Means both value, means if we are using in between two variables or two conditions, If both of the conditions are true, then only this and return a true. Let's see how. Let's assume my requirement is I want to print hello if x equals to y and y equals to sorry, if x equals to 100 and y equals to 100. This is my requirement. Means I want to print hi if the value of x is 100 and the value of y is 100. What will be the code, Rakhi? Yes, let me just code. I'll explain. Yeah, dollar x means our variable x is equals to. We use double equals to for checking the value comparison operator. We already discussed about that. Okay, and we are using in and dollar y equals to also 100. So it will print hi. So Rakhi, this is true or not? This will return true or not? Yeah. So output will be high. Okay. If any of these variables value is not 100, if I use just decrease the value of x 100 to 10, so it will give a blank. It is not going to within the if condition, because our AND operator, this is our operator, and our AND operator returns true only when the both conditions are true. Both conditions, the left hand side condition and the right hand side condition. If both condition is true, then only it will return true. If and if condition only execute this code when the within this bracket there is a true, then only this code will going to execute. Okay, so it will just give us a blank page. We can use else. Okay, so it will give us a hello, because if it's false then it will control goes to else condition. Is this clear, Rakhi? The AND operator. Okay, now the next operator is OR operator. OR operator, it will give us a true if either the first condition true or the second condition is true. Means if any of one condition is true, then this OR operator will give us a true. How? Let's see by example. Okay, if I'm using OR, means I'm checking the condition. If x equals to 100, what is the value of our x? 10. No, false. Or if y dollar y equals to 100. What is our value? Y. Yes, true. So there is a one condition is false and second one is true. So this or operator will give, it will return a true. So this code will going to execute. It will not going to in else condition. Let me show you on browser. One second. I didn't see. Hi. Okay, Rakhi. Yeah. If I just, what will the output? If our x is also 100 and y is also 100, and this or is checking if x equals to 100 or y equals to 100, means both the condition is true. So what will in the output, Rakhi? No, it's only high. Means means means, yeah. What's the working of if and else? If this condition is execute or otherwise this condition will be going to execute. Any of one condition is okay. If I use our both was 100, if I use like this, hello means both of the condition is false. So this operator will return false, means the code of if condition is not going to execute. If not going to execute, then else, the control goes to else part and this code will be execute and we got the hello. Simple. Okay, Rakhi. Okay, let's move ahead. The XOR. This is AND or the XOR. XOR give return true if either X or Y is true but not both. Okay, let me show you. What is our OR operator? OR operator returns true when the any of one condition is true, either both of condition is true. Then only it will return the true. Okay, in our OR operator, this operator. If I use XOR is same as OR, but it will return false if both of the condition is true. Means in case of, one second, in case of OR, means if I use here 100 and the 100, so both the condition is true, so OR returns the true, so this code will execute. But in case of the only the difference between these two operator XOR and OR, if both the condition is true, then this XOR will return false, means the hello will be true. Means XOR same as all, but only this condition is if both of the conditions is true, then it will return false. Means this operator return only true when either of only it returns true only if one condition is true. If both is false, then it will return also false. If both is true, it will return false. If either one first condition is true or second is condition is true, then it will only return the true. If I reduce 100 in this condition, the first condition is true, okay, but the second condition is false. So it will return true. It will return true then if condition will be executed. Let me show you. Hi. Is that clear, Rakhi? Means yeah, x or true if either x or y is true but not both. Means if both is true then it will return false. Simple, same as or, but in the true it will return false. Means both the condition is true, left hand side and right hand side. Both the condition is true, then it will return false. Okay. What is the difference between or and XOR? You got the difference? If both the condition is false, what will the output? If both the condition is false, means X is 100. Yeah, yeah. What will the output? No, either if will execute or else will execute. Yeah. Okay. Let's move ahead. Yeah. Here is a also one operator and. This and means this is a special character ampersand. We just type this with shift plus 7 key. Okay. This if you use ampersand two times, this operator is same as exactly same as this and. Means if you want to use this, you can use this in place of and also. Okay. These two operator is same, exactly same. Okay, Rakhi. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, this is our and. So, what is the working of and? And working is if the any of one condition is true or both of the condition is true, then it will return true. So, what is the condition? Yeah, this is true and this is false. So, any of one condition. Sorry, what is the working of and? And working is both the condition have to be true. Sorry, I just give you the examples. Or this is if both the condition is true, then only it will return true. And our end, the first operator. Okay, same as this end. So both and ampersand in this operator is same as our a and b. If both the condition is true, then only it will return true. Let me show you. It will return hello because the second condition is false. Okay, now it will return hi. Okay, the working of this operator is same as our first operator and. These both are the same. And this is also called or. This is also called or. This operator is same as our or operator. Means either first condition is true or second condition is true. Or both is true, then it will return true. If I use this symbol two times, and this is also called or. Okay. So both of these conditions is true, so it will return high. High. If I just, in this condition also it will return high because this condition is true, but this is false, but this is true, so it will again return high. No changes on our output. But if I use both the false condition, then this will give us this operator, or operator, just above of our enter with shift, with shift. Okay, got it. Okay, great. So okay, okay, no problem. No problem. So in this condition means if I use both the conditions are false, so this will return false, so else part will be execute. Yes. Hello. Okay, Rakhi. This in this operator is all the same as our second operator. What is the second? Or is this and this is same, and the or and this symbol is same. Okay. Is there any query or any confusion between these five operators? These five. We didn't discuss about more. No queries? Okay, let's move to our last logical operator. It is called not. Okay, you can just you can use this keyword with shift and the first numeric value first. Okay, let me show you the working of not. We use the not. I have to cover this x plus equals to in bracket. Okay, so let's what is the is x equals to 10? This is true or false? What is the value of our x? It's 100. Okay, now we are checking with 10. No, this is false. Okay, this is false or not? So it will just convert any false to true. Means if there is a false, then this operator just convert to opposite. Means if we are getting false, this operator will convert it to true. So if condition means this operator returns in our present condition true, so this will execute echo high. Let me show you in browser. High. Why? Because our operator not operator just convert false into true and true into false. You got it or not? It will just change the, if we are getting true, it will change it to false. Means if we are, this is our true condition, means x, yeah, x is 100, so we are getting true, but this operator will convert it into false. So it convert false, return false. If condition will not going to execute, the control will go to else condition. Let me show you. Now output will be hello. Okay, Rakhi? Is there any query or confusion about this not operator? Okay, let's move ahead. What is the next operators is our PHP string operators. Okay, first operator is dot. The we just call it a concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. Okay, it is used to concatenate, means it is used to add two string values. If we have a string type one variable and two variable of string type, if we want to add this two variable, then we use this dot operator. Okay, let's see how it's work. Comment this. I'm just declaring a user defined string type variable str1, assigning any random string. This is okay. Creating another string type variable str2 and assigning another value. What we have done, just define two user define string type variable. Assign this value to our first variable and this string to our second variable. Okay, if I want to just concatenate these two values, so I have to use the dot operator, or we can say concatenation operator. Let's echo dollar str1 dot dollar str2. So what will be the output, Rakhi? Our concatenator, yeah. Okay. It will, this operator just add two variables of string type variables. Maybe two strings, and this echo just echo the value, whatever be the value, it will just echo. Means output will be this space is string space type. Means this value is echoing, and we just adding with this operator the string type. So let me show you on browser. Yeah, this is string. Means in between these two strings there is no space, because in our variable there is no space ending and starting. That's why in between of this is not, in between of is and string there is no space. So Raki, tell me, if I want the space in between is and the string, how can I get the space? Space also a character, we already discussed about that. Okay, Raki? Space means, if I want space, means just create. Yeah, we can either take space here. There is a space, or we are not using space here. We can take space here also. So output will be same, no difference. If I don't want to change my string type, these two variable, the value of these two variable, I don't want to change, means I don't want to add this space here. So I can use directly is in within the single quotes. I directly use this space. You can see the space, okay, and we have to use the concatenation operator also in between two string. Means we first concatenate the space with first variable by this concatenation with this dot, okay. After this we just concatenate our second variable with this dot, and or this concatenation operator. Output will be same, no changes. Okay, Rakhi, I just put directly and concatenate with, if I didn't concatenate this, what will be the output? It will give us a error, a syntax error, okay. Yeah, we cannot do that. Means here is not any operator, so PHP assume we should use end of the string, end of the our line, means the semicolon. But we don't want to use and we don't want to end our line of code here. We just want to print the whole line, so I have to use this dot also in between the space and the dollar str. Okay, Raki. So dot is used to just concatenate the string value or the variable. Value means if I directly want to concatenate two values. Let me 1 second. Let me show you two values, or we can say two string type values. Just PR tag directly echoing. The string must be within either single quotes or double quotes. Okay, you can use double quotes also. I want to print hi space hello. So hi dot hello. But between of these hi and hello there is no space. Okay, hi and hello means we can directly concatenate the string. We just use it within the single quotes or double quote and concatenate with dot operator or concatenation operator. You can say this concatenation operator. If you want space, you can use here, or you can put in between of these two also. Same as this. You can use this type once a dot and the space. Yeah. Okay, Raki. Is this clear? Any query regarding this dot operator or concatenation operator? The next is the same as concatenation, but it's just assign the value also in the left hand side variable. Means let me show you the code. $str1 dot equals to $str2. Okay, so now what we have done, we have just concatenate the value and reassign the our resulted value into our left hand side variable. Means now the value of str1 is this is string type. Did you get it or not? Means this line is same as, let me put you str1 equals to $str1 dot $str2. These two lines are the same exactly. Okay, means dot equals to, just concatenate both the variables value and it will assign to left hand side variable. Okay Rakhi, let me show you the output. If I just echo, there is nothing because we just if I ran the program, there is nothing because I didn't use any echo or print. Okay, if we echo dollar str1, if I use this, the output will be this is string without space between is and string. Okay, if I use, let me show you, if I echo the second variable $str2, what will be the output? Just remove this echo. What will the output? String type only, because the value of str1 will one changed, but it didn't change the second variable. Means right hand side variable, the value as it is, means it will remain same. There is no difference or no changes. You can say no changes. Okay Rakhi, so this is our dot equals to, means concatenation and assignment operator. It will concatenate the value, concatenation and assignment. Concatenate the value, append the value. You can say append the value of two variables, means one variable into two second variable, and will assign to our left hand side variable. Means in this condition, there txt1, txt1 it will assign the concatenate or appended value, appended string. Okay, this is clear Naraki, our PHP string operators. Is there any query or confusion you can ask me? because we are going to use in many places this dot operator, or we can say concatenation operator, in our real-time example or real-time application. This is going to use many times. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. There is our PHP array operators. Means array operators. This plus, or you can say union, it's just add two arrays. Add two arrays means if we have two values in X, array type values, we have these two array type. Array type. What is the array type variable, Rakhi? Yeah, multiple values. Let us assume if we have two values in X and the two values in Y. So if we use union operator, a plus symbol in between these two, so it will return the array type variable with four values. Okay, Raki, let me show you in our $ARR1. I'm just defining a simple array type variable. We have to use the array keyword. Okay. In the first variable, we have two values 10 and 20. And in the second variable, the ARR2, 30 and 40. So if I use $ARR1 plus $ARR2, so it will return the union of two array type variables. So if we want to see, so we can't use echo. Why? What's actually it will give a model. Why, Raki? I think we already discussed about this. Why it is showing a notice? Why it is not giving the echo value? Do you remember? Okay, let me clarify this. The value of any array type variable, if we want to print the value of any array type variable, we have to use the print underscore r. There is a predefined function. Yeah, yeah. So I have to use the predefined function print underscore r in between print underscore r. Then only it will print, otherwise it will give the notice, or if it is notice is off, it will give just a array means a return array. This means this is showing what this is showing. This is showing that you have just echoed the array type variable, and it is not possible with the echo keyword. Okay, Raki, we have to use print underscore r function. So you just union, it will return first and one second. A R 3. I have to assign this into any other variable. Why I will explain. Underscore R. 1 second. One second. I just use the index tag. Value integer type. Just change. First. This is we can say key value means associative array. We are using just a indexed array. Should be same out. Please be hold on. same. Yeah. Okay, okay, Rakhi. Yeah, yeah. I will explain you and give the solution why it is not printing. We will discuss these operators tomorrow. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Thank you.